Alright, so in this video I'll show you how to save a search on Zillow in 2026. If you're looking for homes or rentals regularly, saving your search makes everything way easier. Yeah, so let's go step by step. First, open Zillow on your browser or mobile app and sign into your account. You need to be logged in for the save feature to work properly. Now go to the search bar and type the location you're interested in, like a city, neighborhood, or exact area. Once the results load, start applying your filters. Set your price range, number of bedrooms, bathrooms, and any other preferences you want. After your search is ready, look near the top of the results page or filter section. You'll see an option that says Save Search. Click on it. Now Zillow will ask you to name your search. You can give it something simple like 2-bedroom rentals in city, or anything you'll remember easily. Next, choose your notification settings. You can turn on alerts so Zillow emails or notifies you when new listings to your saved search. This is super useful, yeah. Once you confirm, your search is saved to your account. You can access it anytime from your profile under saved searches. And that's it. Now you don't have to search everything again and again. Zillow will automatically update you with new listings. If this video helped you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple guides like this. I'll see you in the next one.